What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be messing with Helga a little bit out in the shop, and it's raining a little bit outside. It's kind of a mist, but we'll be pulling it out of the building, messing with it out more in the light, because my last video was a little too dark with it being in the garage and not that much lighting in there. Or actually, I don't have any lights in there. Hopefully later on I'll be able to install some so you guys can be able to see inside the building instead of me pulling it out. But I'm gonna pull it out right now and get some videos for you guys. So what we're gonna be doing with Helga today, I'll be installing some new door light lenses that have been super faded out on the truck. I just did new light bulbs on them, LED bulbs, front and the rear. We get this door open. And the rear. So there's that. So I'm going to try to install these lenses. The last set that I had tried to install broke right off the bat when I was installing them. I don't know where they were made from, but I got it from a pretty reputable place. I don't want to say who it is. But let me pull out the truck. Let me start on it outside. This truck is getting taller and taller to get into. Lost my phone now. A nice cold start to her. Alright, so here's the new lenses. They're in here. Like I said, I'm not going to really say who they were from because I've already had issues. With the last set, I was acting like a Karen with the company. They sent me new ones, but I don't think 4 new ones should break right off the bat. So I don't have high hopes for these ones either. Get this other one open. Alright, let me figure out which side goes to which. I think it's this one. You gotta be super careful with these. You gotta make sure that they're fully in on the one side. I think I actually have the wrong one here. Let me dig through my little pile. Okay, well, this one's already damaged. Oh well, I don't want to keep dealing with this company again, so let's see if it works. Oh, that one's wrong too. I must have had the right one, but I just wasn't pushing it in correctly. Or these ones could just be another bad batch. Hopefully this one doesn't break. Last time when I went to push it, I was pushing it all the way back this way. Make sure you get it behind here. And then last time, all these tabs broke right off. So let's see if we'll catch it on camera. I'm going to try to pull it back as hard as I can. And it broke. You gotta be kidding me. This is just terrible product, unfortunately. And you buy it from a reputable OBS page, This is not something like I got off of eBay or anything like that. Some cheap Chinese stuff. And this stuff was like $75 to order from their page. And I don't understand how these can keep breaking. Let's try another one. See if we'll break this one. It's fully pressed in, all the way back here, fully in the grooves. Wow. Alright, so we actually got one in. The scary part is that since it's this difficult to put in, that trying to take that back out again, if those LED bulbs go bad, I'd have to replace these again because they're more than likely going to just break. So I'm going to have to get them to send me one more. Alright, so this is the correct side again for this one. Make sure you have it fully pushed all the way back. And this one broke. I don't understand. This is just complete nonsense with this product. Let's break the last one. And see, I don't know if the camera's gonna catch it, but it's already cracking right there on a new install. I don't understand how this being that fragile would break. But with it on there, it's probably never gonna come off again, but hopefully it doesn't break with like a hard door slam or something like that if one of my friends get in and they slam the door too hard. But you know, that's what I get, I guess, for trusting the big name page for installing these things. So now that means I got two broken ones, and now I gotta get another set. Let me see if this one's cracking. Yeah, it's already cracking. Right there, it's cracking already. I don't understand. This is Helga. We've had this truck for about 8 years. So this will be the truck everybody will be catching up on YouTube with everything that I do to it now versus me just posting on Instagram or TikTok or anything like that. So you guys will be able to see full details on all the stuff that I do to this truck. Alright, we're just going to put the truck back inside. Grumpy when she starts. That's what happens when you run an automatic PCM and for a 5-speed. Then it'll catch on. A little tight squeeze going back inside. And there she goes to sit for another couple days until next weekend. I'll mess with it again. So that will be the end for today's video. That was just a quick door lens covers to put on. I'm gonna have to get 2 more from the same company. I'm pretty sure they're gonna break again, but I don't know, a little disappointing, but we'll see you guys in the next video. Later.